Launch it off again.
Yeah, seriously, he did. If you're playing along, you've seen it. Now there's gonna show something that we
Found a couple of days.
yeah, not a couple of days ago. This is Carl 101 and Chicken Conroy forgot. It's a super shroom. Yeah.
Better than a normal mushroom. Shit.
It's better than a normal shroom. Again.
A normal mushroom is shit.
I like zooming in like this.
Yes.
Now this is the first time you see Peach.
That is still.
That's.
Or Peach will have
You know, in the last part we said we skipped half of the part walkthrough. Yeah, we really did.